Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my dear students. I hope you are all doing well. I welcome you all in the series of past paper questions, Cambridge O-level mathematics. In today's lecture, we will discuss a single question that is related to linear inequalities in two variables. I have a question paper of 2024. This is May-June session, and this is paper 1-2. In this paper, we will discuss question number 16. Okay. The statement of the question is, the region R is defined by these three inequalities: y greater than or equal to 2x, x plus y less than or equal to 4, and x is greater than or equal to 0. Find and label region R. We have to make region R corresponding to these three inequalities. You will write the associated equations or you may write boundary lines for the given inequalities are. To find the associated and boundary boundary lines for the given inequality, you have to just replace less than or equal sign, greater than or equal sign by just with equal sign. So when you replace this greater than or equal sign with equal, your first line becomes y equal to 2x. When you replace here equal sign, this inequality gives equation x plus y equal to 4, and this gives x equal to 0. Okay. X equal to 0 is actually y-axis. X is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis, because at y-axis x coordinate is always 0. So x is equal to 0. X equal to 0 mean y-axis, and x greater than equal to 0 mean right of y-axis, and x greater than equal to 0 mean right of y-axis. Okay, so this y-axis is actually x is equal to 0 here. The next equation is y is equal to 2x. Y equal to 2x. Actually, this line, because this line has a 0 intercept, so this line passes through origin with gradient equal to 2. To draw this line, we just find one more point. So when x is 1 here, when x is 1, y is 2. So point 0, 0, and x is equal to y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 lies on this line, lies on this line. Okay, firstly we draw this line by using these 2 points, x is equal to 0 and x is 0 0 and 1 2. So this is my first point, x is equal to 0, and when your x is 1, then your y is 2. This is my second point. Similarly, when your x is 2, your y will be 4. This is your third point on this line. When your x will be 3, then your y will be 6. That is out of the grid. So these 3 points are sufficient to draw this line. Okay, join these 3 points. You can extend this line. So this is the equation of y. This is the line represented y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Yes. Next we draw the last third line. X plus y equal to 4. Can you write this line as x over 4 plus y over 4 equal to 1? In my previous lecture, I discussed that this line x over a plus y over b equal to 1. This line is called to intercept form of a line. Here a is called x-intercept and b is called y-intercept. So for this line, x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is also 4. So x-intercept of this line, x-intercept of this line is 4, which is also equal to y-intercept. What does mean by the intercept? X-intercept mean this line will cut the x-axis at x is equal to 4. Similarly, y-intercept equal to 4 means this line will passes through the y-axis at y is equal to 4. So this is my y-intercept, that is actually x0 y4, and this is my y-intercept, that is actually x0 x4 y0. Now join these 2 points. We have so this is x plus y equal to 4. Now we have to shade the region R that is satisfied by these 3 inequalities. The first inequality is, suppose this is my first inequality, x greater than equal to 0. X greater than equal to 0 mean right of y-axis. Right of y-axis. The right of y-axis mean this area. Y greater than or equal to 2x. Y greater than or equal to 2x mean above this line. This is my line y greater than or equal to 2x. So above of this line is this area. So the common area of this green line with y-axis will be here. Similarly, x plus y in the third line, third inequality, x plus y less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to mean below 4. Below 4. Mean to say, at this line, the value of x plus y is exactly equal to 4. But this inequality says the value of x plus y is less than equal to 4. Less than equal to mean 4 mean below this line. So less than or equal to sign mean our shaded region of these three inequalities will be here. So this is a triangle. This is my region R. For the safe side, you can label this region. This is O, A, B. So at the end, you can write as the region R is triangle OAB, and it completes our question. Now, just for your satisfaction, if you think whether our region R is correct or not, you can choose any one point from this region. So, what is half of this? This is x is equal to 1 by 2. So, can you take here? Can you take here x is equal to 2? Sorry, here y is equal to 2, and this is my x is equal to 1 by 2. So, take a test point. Take a test point to check whether we have correctly found the region R. This test point must be lies in this region. So if we take x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 2, then clearly this point lies in this region R. Now you can check whether this point satisfied our this inequalities or not. The first inequality is y greater than or equal to 2x. If you put y is equal to 2 here and x is equal to 1 by 2 here, this becomes 2 greater than or equal to 1. Is this true? Yes, this is true. So this point satisfies the first inequality. Now you have to put this point in the second inequality also. This becomes 1 by 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 4. This is 2.5, which is clearly less than 4. This is also true. Lastly, here our x coordinate, that is 1 by 2, is greater than or equal to 0. This is also true. So this shows that we have correctly found the region R. So I hope now you have a clear understanding of this question. Still you find any problem in this question, you can message me. Inshallah, I will reply you. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.